So I'm using medium worsted yarn, and a 5.5 millimeter hook. So I started with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain a random number just for the demonstration. Okay, so on the fourth chain from the hook, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, I'm gonna work my first treble. So for the treble, what you do, yarn over once, yarn over twice, and insert the hook into the chain, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and pull through 2. So pull through 2 3 times total. Again, yarn over once, yarn over twice, into the next chain, and pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over once, twice, into the next chain. Pull 3 times. Yarn over twice, into the next chain. Pull through 2, 3 times. This is the treble. Again we repeat. Yarn over twice onto the next chain. And the chain before the last. And the last chain. And this is how it looks. So onto the next row, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 3 instead of 4. I'm gonna chain 3 only, so the sides look neat and straight. And again, in this very first stitch, I'm gonna work my first treble. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over twice and continue on to the next stitch. Yarn over twice and continue. This is how the treble looks like. This stitch is good for summer crochet, because if you don't like to do the granny, for example, which I doubt, you can use this easily. It's like a breathable stitch. Yarn over twice. And this is how it looks. I hope the video was clear and understandable. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.